Hi everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to present to you 12 career options after mastering SQL. The first one is Database Administrator DBA. As a DBA, you will be responsible for managing, maintaining and optimizing databases. The second option is Data Analyst. Data analysts use SQL to extract, transform, and analyze data to help businesses make informed decisions. The third option is BI or Business Intelligence Developer. BI developers design and build data models, data warehouses, and reporting solutions. Also, we have the option of being a data engineer. Data engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure required for data pipelines and data integrations. Also, we have data scientists. Data scientists use SQL to access and pre-process data for analysis and modeling. The next option is a software developer. So many software applications involve databases interaction. A strong understanding of SQL can be beneficial for developing applications that interact with databases, perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations, and manage data. The seventh option is a database developer. Database developers design, implement, and maintain database schemas, stored procedures, and functions. Also, we have data warehouses analysts. Organizations use data warehouses to consolidate and manage data from various sources. The ninth options is a data quality analyst. This job ensures that data is accurate, consistent, and reliable. The next option is a database consultant. It offers specialized expertise in designing, implementing, and optimizing databases for client. We have data migration specialist. When organizations transition to new systems or databases, data migration specialists use SQL to write queries and commands that facilitate the efficient and accurate movement of data during the migration process. And the last one is SQL instructor or trainer. So if you are practically adapted at SQL, you could teach others by becoming an instructor or trainer either in a formal educational setting or through online platforms. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a comment with your feedback and what you want to watch in next videos. Bye for now, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.